Today I will show, download and install HP P1007 printer driver. Open any browser. Type HP printer driver download. Click this HP official link. Click to printer. Go to search box. Enter your product name. P1007. Click submit. Click driver product. Installation software. Click basic drivers. Click this download link. Open downloaded file. Click I accept. Check box. Click next. Click finish. Close this window. Go to search box. Search and open. Control panel. Click view device and printer. Right-click on your printer icon. Set as default printer. Your printer is ready to print.